We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our Average Wild Experience.
Where are we at, Brian?
Montana!
Oogie. Alright guys, we are in Divide Creek Campground, which is in Babb, Montana. And we have the coolest site literally ever. We are on this incredible, beautiful river. Got people playing in the water, you got mountains over there. Oh my gosh.
Welcome home. This is it.
Insane. Absolutely stunning.
It is 6 o'clock. We're eating breakfast, waking up. Beautiful morning. We're at the trailhead of Grinnell Glacier trailhead.
Finishing touches. What do you got on your hip, babe?
I have on my shoulder bear spray.
Shoulder?
Yeah, my hip shoulder.
Hip shoulder, okay.
Hip shoulder.
Yeah. So, obviously there's plenty of bears. We are in bear country.
Colorado's just very raw, rough, in your face, but this is like on another level. They're still mountains, they're still beautiful. They're not as high, but you get more with it. I like the vegetation that adds to the whole experience, along with the beautiful glacier water, crystal clear blue. It just makes a fantastic experience.
So this is Grinnell Lake that we are walking up to right now. We did the hike, the Grinnell Glacier Trail. We couldn't get to the glacier because of snow cover, but
It's closed.
that was the view that we had up there.
So we already saw it from above.
Now we're gonna see it up close.
That was a once in a lifetime thing. That's so cool. He literally was like 15 yards, 20 yards from us.
Yeah, insane.
Huge.
He just came walking up the path, and people behind, they were behind us, but in front of him, had no idea. And so
Megan's screaming for them to move.
And I'm like, just walk towards me, just walk towards us, come on.
They started to run.
I was like, oh my word, we're gonna witness people get trampled. But they didn't. The moose turned, kind of came up, and then went right into the water. And like some of these pictures that I got, I could scream over.
Incredible.
Oh my gosh.
Incredible.
Wild. We are the first ones here, and we are about to hike out to Avalanche Lake. So this hike is awesome, but also super, super popular. So I said, you know, gotta make sure we get here early. But I didn't expect to be the first ones here, so I take that as a win. But round trip's about 6 miles, give or take. So we're gonna head up there and do this hike this morning. Then we have another hike or so planned in the afternoon. But this is the plan for day 2 of Glacier National Park.
Look how beautiful and blue this is. The water's so blue. All the river rock down there. But this blue glacier water. Absolutely stunning.
Yeah, so we're right here. We just did this part, so we just have to go all the way up there.
Sweet.
And then it can continue around so you can see, but you can see where all these like rivers and falls fall into it, so. Sweet.
Just came up the elevation. What the?
So gorgeous.
I think we're here. I love this place. Look at the perfect reflections.
I know, that's the other reason I was in a hurry, because I was like, if they're calling for high winds, it's not going to be like this forever.
Thoughts?
Better than last time.
I mean, this is
Absolutely stunning.
this is so freaking beautiful. Five waterfalls. One last look at the avalanche.
Avalanche Lake. Gorgeous when the sky's like this. We came in, it was so cloudy.
I know.
And it was still really cool, like you could get the reflections, but it wasn't not like what we saw.
Not like this morning. This morning was perfect weather. All right, let's head on back down.
Okey-doke. Hey there.
Sorry.